Hello everyone, my name is Marvin and welcome to my channel. And for this video, I will show you how easy to make an orange chicken or chili orange chicken, as I will be using real chili on this recipe. We need some chicken thigh. Feel free to use any parts of the chicken breast, chicken wings, it doesn't matter. We also need some chili flakes, some ketchup, some orange marmalade. If you don't have orange marmalade, that's okay. You can always use the real orange, but make sure to use sugar, or you can make your own marmalade. We also need some vinegar, hoisin sauce, oil, salt, pepper, an egg, and a starch or flour. We also need this garlic. This is just an optional as well. If you don't like garlic, feel free to skip this one. And we will be using this habanero and some serrano. So without any further ado, let's start. To start with, we need a saucepan, and let's combine all this all together in this pan. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that like button if you like this video. and that bell icon as well, so you'll get notified once I upload a new video. Thank you so much, and God bless.